Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be solving a problem that someone posted on solving a system of equations by graphing. Now, for solving a system of equations, essentially what that means is to find the set of x and y coordinates that satisfies both of these equations. And if we're going to be doing this by graphing, essentially what that means is to find the point on both of these lines where they intersect. So finding the point where both of these lines cross when graphing. Now, in order to do that, what we want to start by is taking these equations and turning them into something that's a little bit easier to graph. So if we take these equations, starting with the first one, we have 1/2 y plus 2x equals 3. And we know that the standard form for the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. So we can take this equation and rearrange it to turn it into that by first moving this 2x to the left side. So I'm going to 1/2 y equals negative 2x plus 3. And then we can get rid of this 1/2 on the left side by multiplying our entire equation by 2. And that gives us y equals negative 4x plus 6. Okay? So that is our equation for the first line. And we can go ahead and do the same thing with the second one, this 3y equals 4x plus 10. So I'm going to do that over here. Sorry. This is 3y equals 4x plus 10. And now we can get rid of this 3 by dividing the entire equation by 3, and that gives us y equals 4/3 x plus 10/3. And these are our new equations for our line. So now what we can do is take these two equations and just graph them and see where they intersect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little bit more room here. And I'm going to rewrite this second equation here equals 4/3 x plus 10/3. And now what I'm going to do is just graph them. So I'm going to bring up the graphing tool here. And give me 1 second. So x equals negative 4x plus 6. And we also have 4/3 x plus 10/3. Okay. So now these are our lines where we have our negative 4x plus 6 and our 4/3 x plus 10/3. And as you can see, they intersect right about here. So our solution for this problem is going to be 1/2 4.